guys, today I am making makhane chaat. So let's start it. For this I have makhane, sev, sweet chutney and some salt and red chili powder, onion, coriander and tomato. So let's start it. So first I will take makhane, then I will take some onion, then tomato, and then a pinch of red chili powder and a pinch of salt. And then I take 2 spoons sweet chutney and some coriander and sev. Then I will mix it. And then I will put into the bowl. And after this, I will put some coriander and some sev. And our makhane chaat is ready.